Welcome to our Quiz Trend World YouTube channel. Get ready to test your knowledge with fun and challenging quizzes on everything from history to pop culture. Hit subscribe and let the trivia begin.
No cheating. Good luck. Let's get started. What is the chemical symbol for water? H2O, O2, or CO2? H2O. Water is composed of the chemical elements hydrogen and oxygen and exists in gaseous, liquid, and solid states. Which planet is known as the red planet? Venus, Mars, or Jupiter? Mars. Mars appears slightly reddish and is also called the red planet. The iron minerals in the Martian soil oxidize or rust, causing the soil and atmosphere to look red. What gas do plants absorb from the atmosphere? Oxygen, nitrogen, or carbon dioxide? Carbon dioxide. Plants absorb carbon dioxide during photosynthesis, which is stored in roots, permafrost, grasslands, and forests. How many bones are there in the human body? 206, 306, or 106? (206). The adult human skeleton is made up of 206 bones. These include the bones of the skull, spine, vertebrae, ribs, arms, and legs. What is the hardest natural substance on Earth? Diamond, gold, or iron? Diamond. Diamond is the hardest naturally occurring substance found on Earth. What is the powerhouse of the cell? Nucleus, mitochondria, or ribosome? Mitochondria. The mitochondrion is the site of cellular respiration, where energy in the form of ATP, adenosine triphosphate, is generated as a result of oxidation of food constituents. What planet is closest to the Sun? Mercury, Venus, or Earth? Mercury. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun and the smallest planet in the solar system. What is the most abundant gas in the Earth's atmosphere? Oxygen, nitrogen, or carbon dioxide? Nitrogen. The most abundant naturally occurring gas is nitrogen, N2, which makes up about 78% of air. What is the chemical symbol for gold? AU, AG, or FE? Au gold is a chemical element with the symbol Au and the atomic number 79. What is the speed of light in a vacuum? A, B, or C? It's A, 300,000 kilometers per second. The speed of light in vacuum, commonly denoted C, is a universal physical constant. Who developed the theory of relativity? Isaac Newton, Albert Einstein, or Nikola Tesla? Albert Einstein. In his 4 papers published in November 1915, Einstein laid the foundation of the theory. What is the term for animals that eat both plants and animals? Herbivores, carnivores, or omnivores? Omnivores. When animals eat both plants and meat, they are called omnivores. What is the main component of the Sun? Oxygen, hydrogen, or helium? Hydrogen. The Sun contains about 92% hydrogen and 8% helium, with just a tiny bit of the other common elements we find on Earth. What part of the plant conducts photosynthesis? Root, stem, or leaf? Leaf. Leaves perform photosynthesis in plants. Leaves have mesophyll cells that contain chloroplasts in them. What is the chemical formula for table salt? NaCl, KCl, or MgCl2? NaCl sodium chloride, also known as salt, common salt, table salt, or halite, is an ionic compound with the chemical formula NaCl. Which vitamin is produced when a person is exposed to sunlight? Vitamin A, vitamin B, or vitamin D? Vitamin D. Vitamin D is a group of fat-soluble corticosteroids responsible for increasing intestinal absorption of calcium, magnesium, and phosphate, and multiple other biological effects. What is the center of an atom called? Neutron, electron, or nucleus? Nucleus. The center of the atom is called the nucleus. It consists of protons and neutrons. What is the smallest unit of life? Cell, atom, or molecule? Cell. The cell is the smallest unit of life that can divide, multiply, grow, and respond to stimuli from the environment. What is the freezing point of water? A, B, or C? Zero degrees Celsius. Water will freeze at 0 degrees Celsius, which is 32 degrees Fahrenheit. Anytime the temperature drops below these, liquid water will begin to turn into my ice. Which planet is known for its rings? Jupiter, Saturn, or Neptune? Saturn. Saturn is not the only planet to have rings, but none are as spectacular or as complex as Saturn's. What is the chemical symbol for iron? Fe, Au, or AgO? It's Fe. Iron is a chemical element. It has symbol Fe from Latin ferrum iron and atomic number 26. What is the largest planet in our solar system? Earth, Jupiter, or Saturn? Jupiter. Jupiter's mass is more than 300 times that of Earth, and its diameter, at 140,000 kilometers, is about 11 times Earth's diameter. What is the primary source of energy for the Earth's climate system? The moon, the sun, or the stars? The sun. The sun provides the primary source of energy driving Earth's climate system. What element does O represent on the periodic table? Gold, oxygen, or osmium? Oxygen. In the periodic table, we can find that the atomic number of the given chemical symbol, O oxygen, is 8. What gas do animals exhale during respiration? Oxygen, nitrogen, or carbon dioxide? Carbon dioxide. When an animal breathes, it takes in oxygen gas and releases carbon dioxide gas into the atmosphere. What is the main organ of the circulatory system? Brain, heart, or liver? Heart. The heart pumps blood around the body. What is the chemical symbol for sodium? Na, S, or Sn? It's Na. Sodium is a chemical element with symbol Na and atomic number 11. What is the most common type of star in the Milky Way? Neutron star, red dwarf, or white dwarf? Red dwarf. In the Milky Way galaxy, about 3/4 of the stars are red dwarfs. Which planet is the largest terrestrial planet? Earth, Mars, or Venus? Earth. Of the 4 terrestrial planets, Earth is the largest and the only one with extensive regions of liquid water. What is the main gas in the Earth's stratosphere? Ozone, oxygen, or nitrogen? Ozone. Ozone, a form of oxygen with 3 atoms per molecule, is concentrated in the stratosphere. Ozone absorbs most of the ultraviolet UV radiation coming from the sun, preventing this radiation from reaching Earth's surface.